We're making pasta with chickpeas. So we have 2 cans of chickpeas. We have carrot, celery, and onion, cooking in olive oil, of course, with a little salt and pepper, and I like to add red pepper. You can use a little red pepper flake or a little espelette, which is ground red pepper. So a little bit of red and salt and black pepper. Now, once we get the vegetables sweat out, so we add salt, right, to the carrot, celery, onion, and they start to release all their liquids, and they make the pan a little saucy with the olive oil. Then we can add the garlic. We just don't want the garlic to singe. It makes it bitter. So we're gonna grate in our garlic next. So we stir our garlic in next. Now this is fun. When you want to make a long cooking sauce or a big pot of different meats that's gonna simmer with tomato all day, or a big pot of minestrone, you throw in a chunk of Parmigiano Reggiano rind, the rind. And we're gonna do that with this dish. And this makes the whole dish taste like cheese, basically. Then we're gonna throw in a couple of bay leaves. Easy, easy, easy. Now I'm going to, this is so easy, and I do have to fill the showtime. So I'm going to very, very, very slowly open 2 cans of chickpeas. Now that we've got our garlic in there, our root veg, and our chickpeas, and our bay, now we're going to add the 1 quart of chicken bone broth or stock. Then we add our passata. You don't have to make that funny noise. Oh, it's kind of fun. There you go, brother. Rinse you out later. Give this a stir. And now we need to bring this up to a boil. So just pop the lid on and crank it. Put it on high till it just comes up to a bubble. This is just nice grassy flat leaf parsley is all I put on this. And a little extra drizzle of olive oil, or toss it with some butter at the end. And my mom would probably put some finely chopped raw white onion on this and eat it like she does her minestrone or ribollita. Any hearty dish like this, she likes to finish with a little bit of white onion. There you go, now it's boiling. So in we go, stir it occasionally, and that's all there is. Isn't that awesome? So you fish out, we pulled out the bay leaves right over here. There's our parm rind. So the whole thing tastes like parm. I added some grated parm as well. A little bit of butter at the end, or really good fruity olive oil at the end. Pass extra cheese at the table, even though there's some mixed in there. You bring the whole big baby, the chickpeas, rigatoni, in the red sauce over. And we top it with the nice grassy flat leaf parsley.